going in there.
Oh my God.
Gonna be busy. That's
holy shit!
That was bright.
Here it comes, yeah.
That's nasty. Updraft on that.
So pretty sweet.
Look at how fast it's pulling it up.
Can't see the First State Bank building.
It's right next to that tree.
Good shadow.
Right here, we do have another cell which is developing at the present time to the north around the heights. Small size hail reported right here. You've got the really bright reflectivity. Continuing to see this.
That is cool. It got nailed.
Oh my God, look at it all down there.
Well, that's okay. Send it to Billy.
Look at how much water is still coming down the street. Both sides, even the sidewalk over there.